With your permission, sir, the proceedings may begin. With your permission, sir, the warrant of appointment under the hand and seal of the Honorable President may be read. I'll read the warrant of appointment and I quote, first in Hindi, then in English. मैं रामनाथ कोविंद, महाराष्ट्र का राष्ट्रपति, भारत के संविधान के अनुच्छेद 155 द्वारा मुझ में निहित की गई शक्ति के आधार पर इसके द्वारा श्री सत्यपाल मलिक को उस तारीख से गोवा का राज्यपाल नियुक्त करता हूं जिस तारीख को वह अपने पद का कार्यभार ग्रहण करते हैं। भारत गणराज्य के 70वें वर्ष में आज सन 2019 ईस्वी के अक्टूबर मास के 25वें दिन 3 कार्तिक 1941 शक राष्ट्रपति भवन नई दिल्ली से जारी। हस्ताक्षरित रामनाथ कोविंद, भारत का राष्ट्रपति। Now I will read in English. By virtue of the power vested in me by Article 155 of the Constitution of India, I, Ramnath Kovind, President of India, hereby appoint Shri Satyapal Malik to be the Governor of Goa with the effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 25th day of October in the year 2019, 3rd Kartik 1941, Shak, in this 70th year of the Republic of India, signed Ramnath Kovind, President of India. May I now request the Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court of Bombay to kindly administer oath of office to the Honorable Governor Designate.
I, Satyapal Malik, do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully discharge the functions of the Governor of Goa and will do the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Goa.
With your permission, sir, the proceedings may end.